And last one, users can obtain a free trial version of the software, but this often doesn't contain all full features of the full version. Ça c'est plutôt shareware. Question number 8. Three ethical issues that should be considered using computers. So what can we consider? So very simple answers. So first one, we should not be creating, do not create or distribute malwares, so malware such as viruses and spywares. We should not hack other computers. And now what we can say more? We should not crack. By cracking I mean pirating legal softwares. So these are three ethical issues that should be considered. So explain these security threats. So what do you understand by virus? What do you understand by farming? And what do you understand by spyware? So virus c'est quoi? C'est a self-replicating program. So you get one mark. That deletes or corrupts files. Next one is farming. So what happens is farming, it's a malicious program stored on the computer, and what it does, it redirects the user to a fake website to steal personal information. And the last one is spyware. So what happens when you make use of spyware? Monitors and relays users' activity. And this user activity is analyzed to define sensitive information such as passwords. This is spyware. Next, free tasks carried out by a firewall. So what are the free tasks carried out of the firewall? So examines traffic to and from a computer and a network. Next, what we can say, it filters data that does not meet the rules of the firewall. Prevents viruses and hackers from accessing the computer. Okay, so free tasks for firewall are as follows. We have more, but these are the three most common ones that can be used. Question number 9. So what are the binary values? So the black part will be 1 and the gray part will be 0. So the first one will be 1110010, and for binary B it's 1, so this is A, and this will be B, so 10011110. Now we are going to make use of odd parity. Write down the parity bit for each of the binary numbers in part A. So odd parity, the number of ones should be odd. For A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so it should be 1 to become odd. For B, same, we have 4 ones, so it should add 1 for it to become odd. Question number 10, so it's about the description. So we have to describe these following devices. So non-volatile memory that only can be read from and not written to. So this one should be a ROM. So this is ROM. Next one, optical storage with very high storage capacity by using blue or violet laser technology. So the blue laser should redirect it towards Blu-ray disc. Next one, is volatile memory, stores part of the operating system that's currently being used, so it's a ROM. Optical storage using spiral tracks, dual layer, allowing high data storage capacity, DVD. Device stores data by controlling the movement of electron within microchips. There are no moving part. So this one is SSD. Optical storage that uses concentric tracks, allowing writing and reading time to take place at the same time. This one is known as a DVD-ROM. Okay, so we are nearly at the end of the question paper. Last one is question 11. Question 11. To describe the use of structure and presentation in an HTML document. So this is 4 marks. So we have to describe what is structure and where we make use of structure, how we make use of structure, and you have to describe what is presentation and describe how presentation is used in an HTML document. So in this case, we are going to start with structure. So structure, what it does, it instructs how the layout of the content is displayed. And how this is done, is using HTML tags. The second one is presentation. Now what happens in presentation is it is going to instruct how the content will be formatted. Formatted meaning how the different text will be bold, what the different colors, and so on. And how is this done? It's using colors, CSS files, and also we can make use of styles. Okay, so this ends the correction of this paper. So I hope it has helped you guys to get a better understanding of how we have ended up with our different answers. That's all for today's lesson. If you have liked the video, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up, and leave a comment on how things can be improved. Until then, see you guys next time.